Now that the front jacket and the side panels and back and top are off the boiler, you can see the two coil gaskets on the right and left, halfway down the boiler, the steel plates. Shine the light right over there facing the plate rod. Right down there, yeah, see that? You can see how it's all corroded. The bolts would never come off in one piece. Go over to the other one, Gerard. Your light's in the way of the plate. Same thing there. So anyway, that's what it looks like with no jacket. And here's the side. Try to hold that light up in the air away from the camera. There's the side of the boiler. There's the return, that coil gasket. That was changed. There's another coil gasket, and you'd use that if it was a hot water boiler. You use these if it's a steam boiler, but this didn't have coils off the boiler. It's got a water heater right over there. Anyway, so that's the boiler. And I can edit this after.
This is what was in Titanic.
There it is. There it is.
This is the boiler that fired the Titanic.
Hold the light over there, Gerard. And there's the steam return manifold, or condensate return, I should say. And right down there is where we're going to connect an equalizer and Hartford loop. And we'll videotape that later. Over and out.
Boston loop might be better.